There's a full-blown Polynesian paradise right in Fort Lauderdale. This is the legendary Mai Kai, Tiki gardens, killer cocktails, and one of the wildest fire shows in Florida. Stick around, I'm taking you on the full tour. If you arrive early, you might want to grab a seat at the outdoor Bora Bora Bar. The garden surrounding the bar engulfs you in Tiki culture, even before you enter the building.
Welcome everyone. Today finds me at Mai Kai Polynesian Restaurant and Show in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Let's get inside. I'm really excited about this. So this particular bar is very cool. It's like you're in a ship. Oh my goodness. I love this. Everything is just so beautifully themed. Here the water's running down the window with little Tiki god. This place far exceeds my expectations. Absolutely amazing. Boo! A couple of cocktails here are the barrel of rum. This is said to be really strong, so I better be careful. And the deep diver. So they sell these mugs up in the gift shop as well. So I have my cocktail. I'm going to head to the gardens. Of course, like all good Tiki bars, it's really dark in here. And look at this. It's the Mai Kai back in the 1950s. Wow. You know, this place has been around since like 1956. And then around the time of COVID, there was a bad accident and the ceiling caved in the kitchen, and they spent years refurbishing this. It just recently opened about a year and a half ago, so they outdid themselves. This place is beautiful. Oh, and here are the gardens. Beautiful. These are the gardens. And we're surrounded by tiki torches and tropical plants and fountains. And wonderful drinks. Now you get a better picture of that mug. And my mug, if you're interested. This is so good. I'm not going to show you too much of this right now because I noticed that the water is all lit. And after the show, we're going to come back and see what this beautiful garden looks like at night. But look at all these Tiki statues everywhere. And here we have King Kai. Oh man, that thing must stand, I don't know, 9 feet tall? Huge. This is so hard to believe that we're on a main highway just a few feet behind us, and in here you are just engulfed and absorbed by Tiki culture. Really incredible. I'm at a loss for words. This exceeds all my expectations. And I haven't seen the show yet. I don't even know where I am now. I'm coming back in from the garden. So this looks to be the showroom. What a magnificent place. Let's check this upper level here. This is the top level in the showroom. I believe I'm going to be seated down there. I'm not sure though. It looks like no matter where you're seated here, you're going to get a great view. Any one of these tables can have a magnificent view. So this is a really nice gift shop. And I think what I might take home today is this. Because I like that it's trademarked with the Mai Tai. And that's what a good Tiki mug should be. A lot of nice Aloha shirts. Not that I need any more. But I saw something else here that caught my eye. You can get an actual menu as a souvenir. And what is this? Oh, these must be the really old menus. Oh, look at that. So I'll probably be going home with a menu too. But let's not get ahead of ourselves.
I headed back into the Molokai Bar for a happy hour drink before the show.
Well, here we have a shrunken skull and a traditional Mai Tai, but that is an awesome looking Mai Tai. Good Lord, will you look at that? And here we go with the dark rum. Woohoo!
All right.
Looking good.
We're going to see probably one of the last Tiki shows.
This is good. The shrunken skull. I can't even describe it.
So, I'm sure
Incredible.
they'll enjoy it.
Now I'm waiting to be seated, so I brought my cocktail with me. I think technically you're not supposed to bring your drink in, but this is a long line. It might be empty by the time I get there. Just saying, the theming carries out all the way into the restrooms without being creepy. Will you look at this? We're about 15 feet from the stage. I cannot believe this. I know I've been saying that through this whole video, but this is absolutely amazing. Look how close we are to the stage. All of those tiki lamps above us, it's magical. This is a poo-poo platter. Don't even ask me what's on it. It's just a lot of really good, delicious stuff. And this is my entree. It is shrimp and fried rice. Chicken pad thai. Looks awesome.
So there you have it, the legendary Mai Kai in Fort Lauderdale. The beautiful gardens, the incredible atmosphere, those killer cocktails, and that fire show still has me smiling. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.